Well, friends, I wanted to show you this. This is an update on the coconut butter that I made yesterday. I left it out on the counter and it's really solidified. You see? It's like the consistency of, I don't know, a cold butter maybe, but it's a little flakier. Because yesterday when I posted the video, the coconut butter was quite creamy. So left out on the counter overnight, it's turned hard. I'm using it today actually to make some cookies, and I'm using it instead of butter. So that's going to be an interesting thing to check and see if that tastes good after. But I wanted to show you the consistency. If you wanted it to be more liquidy, you would probably have to heat it up. You know, just like coconut oil, when you buy coconut oil from the store, it's solid when you buy it, but then when it starts to get heat on it, then it liquefies. So same thing here. So I just wanted to show you an update on that.